You can make your audio from sounding like this to sounding like this. And you may be expecting for me to be using my expensive microphone and expensive audio interfaces and some uh, plug-in voodoo, but not. I can actually show you, I will show you in this video how you can use cheap equipment, I mean free basically, and free techniques so you can make your audio sound real professional, so you can start now enjoying your videos and enjoying making videos for whatever content you want to make, either being YouTube, Instagram, whatever, all the cheap. Stay tuned. Okay, so don't think I'm just playing some tricks. So I'm going to put this mic completely away, and you guys are going to see that see and listen. Of course, I'm using this mic. It's there. It's muted. It's far away. So if I were using that mic, you will be aware of that. So I'm not using any specialty mics. Let me show what I'm using. I'm just simply using. Sorry about the handling noise. My mobile phone recording the audio. Just sorry again for the handling noise. Just sitting there in front of me, just propped on top of my keyboard. So it sounds pretty good for $0, 0 cents. It's just my mobile phone, just propped on my keyboard, pointing to my mouth while I speak. However, if you want to go a step beyond, you can spend, I don't know, €5 or something like that on a lav mic. Sorry about the handling noise again. And you just put your lav mic here, focus. And now it's a little bit closer to you, a little bit closer to the source, a little bit closer to your mouth, which will make it sound a little bit fuller and maybe a little bit less of ambient noise. I think it's worth it. The rest of the video I'm going to record using the lav mic, just connected to my mobile phone and saving the audio with any free app actually that can actually record audio. I believe Android and iPhones have a built-in app that will suit just fine. You just need to record your audio. Well, basically this is step one, record your audio and put it on the computer, and then we go to step two in a way. That is going to be where I reveal the secret sauce. Stay tuned. Okay, here you are. I decided to remove the lav mic altogether because I was reviewing the audio, and the lav mic actually brought the audio sound levels actually to a very good level. So I'm going to the extreme here. Again, my mobile phone, my cell phone, my smartphone, whatever, it's propped on my keyboard, pointing to me and recording on the free audio app. And I'm going to show how the process happens. Okay, let me just let's just hear a before and after the process was done. So here it is. Specialty mics. Let me show what I'm using. I'm just simply using. This is the before. Sorry about the handling noise. My mobile phone recording the audio. This is the after. Okay. Sorry again for the handling noise. Just sitting there in front of me. And this is great for audio capture devices are far away. For example, mobile phones. My camera mic, if I was using it. So usually that sound is it's very teeny, very far away. So this is going to make the audio fuller and much more pleasant to hear. And I assure you that any listener, any viewer is not going to know the difference between this type of capture and treatments to a pro mic like that one. They will not, most people will not know the difference, but they will be very happy with the results, because people, when are watching videos, they can tolerate bad camera, an out of focus camera, or no camera at all. But bad audio, it's where people just draw the line and just go to the next video because it becomes very intolerable. So what you have to do is go to this website. I will post a link in the description below. Choose Quick Tools. On the Quick Tools, just choose the enhanced pitch. You get here, and you just have to drag and drop your file. Bam, it's converting. Sorry, waiting for it to be converted. You download, and it's yours forever. So here it is, quite simple. Just use what you have available. I didn't always have my pro gear with me. I started with something simpler, and these were some of the techniques I was using at the time. So this is recent, this is new. I was not lucky enough to have this tool available for me, so I had to use other techniques, but this one is here. Drag and drop, download, and the audio is yours. with full enhancements. I really hope this will come handy to you. I really hope this will improve our videos and your recordings. I hope you enjoyed this. If you can, like and subscribe, it really helps. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.